think of Jake Paul from boxing and YouTube videos, but what you didn't know, he's actually a phenomenal investor. Jake Paul has been building a private markets portfolio since about 2019 that has paid off really well for him. And this is a great show of what every one of you can do if you have proper deal flow. Back in 2017, he was making millions of dollars from his YouTube videos, but he was smart enough to know that YouTube videos wouldn't last forever. And so he started taking that money and actually investing it. But he wasn't just investing in the stock market, he was hand selecting a portfolio of private companies that he could invest in through venture capital, just like I teach you guys every single day. And those companies have paid off really well. Jake Paul's method of investing was simple but brilliant. He focused on these three things. First, he invested in industries with a huge tailwind. What did he see was going to take off? AI, certain consumer trends, defense tech, all that kind of stuff. He was looking for companies that he knew had a tailwind that could push him forward. Number two, he got in early. He was not waiting for it to hit the stock market because he understood that real money is made before something goes public for everyone else to buy. Number three, and most importantly, he knew the power of diversification. He didn't put all his money into a single bet on a really risky company. He went into 10 or 20 different companies, diversified out, and he only needed a couple of them to hit to make tens of millions of dollars. He invested in Olipop alongside me, actually. He did Chronosphere, he did Ramp, he did OpenAI, he did a ton of companies. Here's a list of a lot of the companies that he invested in, but he diversified into a lot of them and it paid off extremely well. And the great part, you don't have to be a celebrity to do this. I help over 1,000 get into private market deals just like this. And yeah, Jake Paul may be writing $100,000 million checks to these companies, but once again, you don't have to. You can get in with small checks like $5,000. So if you're making $150,000 or $200,000 a year of household income, you can start getting access to these types of companies for as little as $5,000. If that sounds like you and you're interested, you can comment the word growth down below and I'll send you a little bit more information. As always, if you're looking to grow